This is ska, original and indigenous. The music of guitar, saxophone, trumpet, bass, and drums. These instruments are playing a monotonic, grassroots rhythm. This beat has taken Jamaica by storm and is swiftly spreading to other parts of the world. Now, what is the authentic style of this new dance craze? Let's take a look-see, shall we? There are 4 basic steps to the ska. The first is to keep the beat with the upper half of the body, bowing forward with a straight back and a slight bend in both knees. At the first bow, the arms extend to the sides. At the second bow, the arms cross in front. The body straightens up in between the change of arms from one position to the other. Basic step number 2 is practically the same as step number 1, but with the addition of a side step. First to the right by moving the right leg on the extension of the arms, then bringing up the left leg on the closing of the arms. Step number 3 is once again very similar, only the arms change. First right, then left, swing up and down in front of the body, finishing with the body beat when the right arm is in the air and then when the left arm is in the air. The arms are to be very relaxed and then swung on either side of the legs or between the legs. These basic steps may be done face to face or side by side with your partner. Finally, our 4th basic step. Now, this is perhaps the most energetic of all the basic ska steps. It's being done by 2 members of the band and is called rowing. A similar action to rowing a boat. It is either done facing your partner or beside your partner. The first move is to reach out with the arms, keeping both back and legs perfectly straight to form an angle at the waist. Then, a pullback, throwing backwards the upper half of the body from the knees up. Ska is as easy as that. How about us joining a regular ska session?